Put a finger down if you're lactose intolerant, but yesterday you chose to have a whole bunch of foods with cheese in them, then you had 3 ice cream sandwiches, and then a sub sandwich with cheese for dinner, leading you to have gnarly indigestion, which made you stay up till 3 a.m., which meant you didn't get a good night's sleep, and now you're forgetting everything right and left, like your trusty watch that you wear for comfort. So, what's up, pals? It is me. Hold up. Hello. Okay, mic is on. Yeah, so it's currently, what day is it? Oof. I think it's Tuesday. No, it's Wednesday. I have still lost grasp of my track on time, and we are, let's just zoom in, currently exporting this bad boy here. It is, if this will show up, 11:17, and if this will zoom out, I have work at noon, so we're just gonna go get ready for that, grab my shoes, and if this is done, it is done. If it's not done, well then, we're gonna have a rough cowboy. No, we're not gonna have a rough cowboy morning, we're gonna have a rough morning cowboy, alright? Alright, sweet. So I will see you when I see you. So, on today's episode of Eugene's Adventures, we're trying to figure out where they lost my car. Well, they didn't lose it. I'm currently in the lot, and yeah, ni mai fata. Yeah, found it. I know I said I would not do this. Ooh, hold on, give me 1 second. I completely forgot everything in my dad's car. Okay, we're back. Sorry, I just forgot all my belongings in my dad's car because, surprise, 2 weeks later we were back at the good old dealership because I had a hole in my tire. Good old construction season this summer, stepped on a nail, and that's why my tire was always pinging that it was low. Well, I'm going to turn my car on, so I cannot guarantee that it won't cut this off, so bear with me. Okay, so it did shut it off, but we got it running again. So yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday were fairly busy. It's my store, the store where I work. It's our 21st birthday. It was our 21st birthday on Monday, so I've just been going into work 12 to 5 and just kind of dealing with everything online and in-store too, so plus my usual sleeping in. But yeah, it was fairly busy. That's why I didn't get to record a lot, but now I have an adventure so I can record to give interesting insight. But yeah, now I'm on my way back home. I have nothing to do. I completely forgot it was Thursday and I usually cook on Thursdays. So there's my adventure for today. There's what I have to figure out. Sorry, there's cars coming and I don't know if I will be able to make it in, but I can. So yeah, I have to figure out what I want to cook. My dad says he wants meatballs, so maybe I will make pasta. You know, just spice it up, make it interesting. Hopefully this footage isn't super shaky. This is quite the smooth road, so it shouldn't be. Okay, we're back. Sorry, my dad called me and that just cut everything off. But yeah, I was reviewing last week's and I realized it is very shaky in my car when I record here. Sorry, there's someone ahead of me, and why are they pulling a U-turn here? There was literally a shopping center right 3, 2, here where they could have turned around. But yeah, I realized it is extremely shaky when I record there. So now we're just doing front camera, iPhone facing me, so I can see how bad the quality is and decide if I should stop or not. But that's really it. Nothing too entertaining's happened. We're now beside my father, so just have. We'll catch you when I get home. Oh yeah, saying he was feeling meatballs, so I was thinking, yeah, maybe I'll make pasta and meatballs, and maybe fry up some vegetables, just something nice, delectable, wholesome. So yeah, we will catch you when I catch you next. Hi there, it's me, back again. Another week, marvelous, another forgotten outro. I have nothing to say on that, just I forget. It's not on the top of my list. I try to end things in a beautiful way, but you really gotta hand it to me for being this consistent with forgetting, because that's my brand. But here we are to say, thanks for tuning in. Adios. We will see you probably on Wednesday. Yeah, on Wednesday. No, not Wednesday. I'm talking that me editing this as if what I'm editing is up online. I'm throwing this after. We will see you next Wednesday once this week is done. Because this is it's just confusing. Anywho, adios. Stay safe, stay healthy. We will see you on the flip side.